it's day take out time. It's time to remove this from my hair. Now I've carried this hair for 4 days, but in my previous video I told you how you're going to maintain this hair, how you're going to carry it in a way that it's gonna last you for a maximum of 7 days. So today's video is all about take out. I have removed one of these, and let me show you how I did it again. Now in today's video I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to take out your this is painful. Take out your crochet without pulling off your natural hair or hurting yourself. And you could imagine taking out these bit by bit, like this video out here, we're crocheting it bit by bit. Yeah, it's going to take like forever, but in today's video I will show you how you're going to take it out without going through all those stress. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end. When you want to take out this crochet hairstyle, from the video where we weave the hair, you see that this part of the hair is where we mat the ends here right here. Okay, so what you should do first is to loosen the threads, like what we sewed here, to keep the hairs together after weaving it. So you loose here first, then after which,
now first you have to make sure you take out the weave. Now from the weave tutorial, if you have watched the video where I taught on how to weave this hairstyle, like the beginning part of the video, you see where the weave, once you're done matting it, you have to use your thread and needle to tack it at the back. Now it was matted into two because my hair is a natural hair and I was trying to make it flat as possible, so that is why I had to lose from the other side, and now I have to lose that other one. Now this is the magic. If you have watched this video till this very extent, I will need you to like this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section, click the notification button and subscribe to this channel. Now we'll proceed with what we were doing. Like I said before, loose. All you have to do right now is just to start losing, and it will start coming out. The kinky that was crochet will start coming out, like what I'm doing right now. Now you have to be a little bit careful, in as much as it is the easiest way to take out your kinky crochet from the hair. You have to be careful, like make sure all the threads are cut, and when you're losing the hair, if you're losing it for someone else, be careful with their natural hair. If you're doing this by yourself, be careful also because of the tips of your hair, so it won't get damaged. So once I'm done with that part, I'll pack it and loosen this other side, like what you're seeing me doing. So you can see how easy this is already looking. You could imagine. So here I was literally done with the back, and because of the glue we added, we'll have to use oil. Like, you can get any hair oil or any product you have available. You add a generous amount on it. At the end of this video, I'll tell you why I added this oil to the parts I added my glue. Always mat your hair, especially if it's a natural hair. With that, the hair is gonna be intact and you won't end up making your hair to be tangled. So now, since the front part was weaved all back, you just have to continue losing the hair like this. So you see what I just did? You open each line, make sure to open each line and start losing the weave. As you're losing the weave, the crochet will just start pulling off by itself. You see how simple and how fast this is. You don't have to take out the crochet then start losing the weave. You're doing 2 in 1. That is, as you're losing the weave, the crochet is being taken out. So it makes the job faster, it saves your natural hair, and you do not have to go through any pain while taking this kinky out. So this is literally all you have to do. Just loose and you're good to go.
This is what the hair looks like after I'm done loosening it. And now we have to take out the glue that was added here. If you notice, I added some hair oil to the back of my hair. So this is just to soften the glue so you can easily remove it without damaging your hairlines. So I'm just gonna add a lot of hair oil on all the places that there's glue, and once I allow it to soften down a bit, I'm just gonna clean it off or probably wash my hair. The easiest way and the fastest way to get your crochet out of your hair. Now I've allowed the hair oil to sit on my hair for a while, and I'm just using my brush. You can use an alcohol base or alcohol base soaked with cotton wool to clean it off, but I'm just using my brush to help remove those glue from the root of my hair before I wash it off. So you see, it softens the glue, so it's not gonna cut your hair. But if you apply it and it's still not soft, then you have to leave it for a while so it can soften up, like what I'm doing. You leave it for a while, but this I've left it for some minutes, and that is why I'm coming to brush it out on my hair. These are the glue that are coming out with the oil. With this your hair is gonna be intact. Nothing is gonna go off. So let's remove the back. This I've allowed this to sit for a bit longer time. I'm just gonna take them out. Okay, so this is my hair. I just finally comb it out, and this is what the hair is looking like so fine. Yeah, so this is what was inside that hair, low kinky haircut. So Even if your hair is this long, you can make that hairstyle and still give the illusion like you cut your hair. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. See you in my next tutorial video. Bye.